Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring how Capricorn season from December 21st through January 19th may influence each zodiac sign. You have to remember that everyone has their own unique natal chart, and depending on where each sign is in your natal chart, and of course the positions of the planets, it will affect everybody a little bit different. With Capricorn's grounded and disciplined energy, this season is asking us to reassess our values both materially and spiritually, strengthening ourselves for our self-worth and grounding ourselves in a way that aligns with this abundant flow of the universe. This is also a time to reflect on how ego influences our decisions and to focus on creating balance between ambition and humility. With powerful planetary transits guiding us, let's see how each zodiac sign can embrace the cosmic shifts for growth and transformation. Capricorn season grounds your fiery energy, Aries, and it encourages you to slow down and focus on building lasting success. This is a time to reassess your goals and find purpose in your work rather than chasing quick wins. Mars retrograde in Leo may trigger frustration around self-expression or leadership. Here are some things you can ask yourself. Are your actions aligned with your authentic values, or are they ego-driven? Make sure to take time to reconnect with what truly fulfills you, both spiritually and materially, to help you move forward with clarity. For you, Taurus, Capricorn season is about expanding your perspective on abundance and self-worth. With Jupiter retrograde in your sign, this is a powerful period to evaluate what truly makes you feel secure, not just financially, but emotionally and spiritually. Are you clinging to material comforts at the expense of your growth? Make sure to take time to ground yourself by connecting with nature and reassessing the balance between your need for stability and your desire for expansion. Capricorn season calls you to dive a little bit deeper, Gemini, shifting focus from surface level connections to transformative inner work. Shared resources, values, and trusts come into the spotlight here. Venus in Aquarius is pushing you to think outside the box when it comes to relationships, but remember to keep your ego in check. Are you valuing depth and authenticity in people, or are you staying in shallow waters for convenience? Ground yourself by acknowledging the stories you tell yourself about your worth and letting go of what no longer serves you. Capricorn season activates your relationship sectors, Cancer, bringing attention to partnerships and your emotional foundations. Mars retrograde moving into your sign may stir up insecurities or old patterns and reactions around family and self-worth. This is a time to ask yourself, are your boundaries protecting your energy, or are they actually keeping you from receiving fully? Make sure to ground yourself by cultivating self-care and nurturing connections that honor your emotional and spiritual values. Leo, this season asks you to balance ambition with humility. Mars retrograde in your sign shines a spotlight on how ego influences your actions. Are you leading from a place of authenticity, or are you caught in the need for recognition? Capricorn season encourages grounding through daily routines and self-discipline. Reassess what brings true joy and value into your life, focusing on sustainable success rather than fleeting validation. Capricorn season highlights your creative expression and connection to joy, Virgo. While you thrive in practical planning, this season invites you to balance work with play. Saturn in Pisces is asking you, are you being too critical on yourself or others? How can you infuse spiritual purpose into your goals? Ground yourself by reconnecting with what sparks your creativity and remembering that success is not about perfection. It's about authenticity and alignment with your values. Libra, Capricorn season focuses on your home and inner foundation. This is a time to reflect on what truly supports your sense of security and self-worth. Jupiter in Taurus retrograde is urging you to reassess material and spiritual values. Are you building your life on external validation or inner peace? Ground yourself by creating a sacred space for reflection and letting go of old patterns that are no longer serving your growth. Capricorn season activates your communication and mindset, Scorpio. Pluto in Aquarius pushes you to break free from limiting beliefs and outdated narratives. Are you speaking your truth authentically, or are fear and ego holding you back? Venus in Aquarius supports exploring unconventional ideas and relationships. Ground yourself by embracing vulnerability and aligning your thoughts with a deeper sense of purpose and also self-worth. Sagittarius, Capricorn season brings focus to your finances and self-worth. Jupiter retrograde in Taurus is urging you to reflect on your relationship with abundance. Are you measuring success solely through material wealth, or are you valuing spiritual fulfillment as well? Ground yourself by finding joy in simplicity and aligning your financial goals with your true values. Let go of any need to overextend or prove yourself. Happy birthday, Capricorn! This season is a time of personal reflection and transformation. With the sun in your sign, you are empowered to align with your highest goals. However, Pluto in Aquarius and Saturn in Pisces are challenging you to think beyond traditional structures and infuse your ambitions with spiritual purpose. Ground yourself by focusing on what truly resonates with your inner self-worth rather than external achievements. Balance discipline with flow and let go of limiting beliefs around success. Aquarius, Capricorn season is inviting you to turn inward and reflect on your spiritual foundation. Venus in your sign encourages authenticity in relationships, while Pluto is challenging you to break free from ego-driven patterns. Are you prioritizing individuality at the expense of connection? Ground yourself by reassessing how your unique gifts can contribute to collective growth and align with a higher sense of purpose. Pisces, Capricorn season highlights your social connections and aspirations. Saturn in your sign asks you to bring structure to your dreams, while Jupiter retrograde in Taurus is inviting reflection on your self-worth. Are you overextending to please others, or are you grounding your goals in alignment with your values? Ground yourself by focusing on spiritual and material balance, and let go of any ego-driven need to prove your worth. Capricorn season is an invitation for all of us to reassess our values, ground ourselves in self-worth, and release ego-driven patterns that no longer serve our growth. By embracing the balance between ambition and humility, material and spiritual wealth, we can align with the abundant flow of the universe. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and feel free to share. Let me know what you think in the comments, how you think that Capricorn season will resonate with you. Don't forget to join me for our upcoming meditations for the new moon in Capricorn on December 30th. And then we also have a New Year meditation special on the 31st. If you haven't yet already checked out my Capricorn season meditation, feel free to head to my channel and check that out. I also have other meditations available. I hope you enjoy your Capricorn season,